Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can clear cache in a Huawei phone. So if you would like to clear the cache for some particular application, you will need to enter settings, then go for the apps and services category. Onwards, tap at the apps, find the app you would like to erase the cache and data for. Let's go with the app hider. Then open its storage page, and over here you can either clear a cache only or clear all user and app data that it has, including cache. If by clearing the cache you mean like wiping the entire cache partition clean, or like removing all the system and app cache that you possibly have, you will need to do that through the recovery mode. And in order to enter the recovery mode, first you will need to power off your device by holding the power button for a few seconds. Then tapping at the power off option over there, and shutting the device down. Once it completely switches off, you will need to simultaneously hold the volume up and power keys. Then once the Huawei logo appears, let the power button go, and still hold the volume up button. Hold it until you will see the recovery menu. So here it is. Then, in it you will navigate by using the volume rocker, and to select something, just tap at the power button. Anyway, select the clear data option, then wipe cache partition. Wait until it will be all the system cache will be formatted, and that will be it. Now you can get back and restart your device. And that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.